Wait, get Kyra real quick while she drives.
Ooh, she can't drive, y'all.
What
you got her hands on the wheel?
We've been walking this grind, frustrated, outdated. What's on your mind? Drove for this time, all on the line. Try trading me places. What would you find? When we've been walking this grind, frustrated, outdated.
Yes, you're behind me. Okay. Yes, it's what's my license plate? That's me.
Oh, thank God.
Yes. All right. Bye.
Okay, where we at? Wait, let me get the light. Where we at?
Hold on.
Why you gonna?
We in the ghetto.
Oh my gosh.
We are in Huntsville, Texas.
What we about to do?
You
Tea up.
know me.
This is on YouTube. Okay. We got Tamar. Tamar. Ooh, the fit. All right. So where'd you get everything from?
Forever 21, the basic store.
And then these are the Vans. All right. Where'd you get the fit from?
Stand up. Show him.
Don't do it to him. Okay.
Biker shorts are
Ooh.
from
We don't know. Next.
Forever 21, and the Vans is from the Vans store.
Wait. I gotta check to see what. Dude, you want to go wait?
You go.
All right.
Okay.
Start at the feet. I got the Vans from Vans.
All right. From not from Converse.
The shorts from American Eagle.
All right.
The top, y'all see the back?
Whoa.
I don't know where it's from.
I
don't know.
What you got, Renee?
Any of this is from.
What you got? Back up. Let's get it.
We got the top from Forever 21.
All right.
The biker shorts.
I don't remember what the name is.
Okay.
My G-Face though.
Okay. Hold on. Foot cam.
Footwork.
Foot cam.
They do. They look bigger than they really are. I think it's because our tan lines. Like I was thinking
They like kind of defined.
Okay, yeah, it's on all of y'all.
Okay. Oh.
But you have to.
Some it's pointed towards.
Hey, let's do the challenge. What was it?
Oh yeah.
I fix it. Oh, I think I just got my hair to catch up. What song is it?
Slide like.
We about to eat this.
Where's your head not in it?
Whoa. Okay.
What's on your mind? Drove for this time, all on the line. Try trading me places. What would you find? When we've been walking this blind, frustrated, outdated. What's on your mind? So what you're saying is it's not enough. Just write it out like a prescription drug.
So today is a very exciting day. It's a lot of things planned for today, but it's my birthday weekend, and right now I'm waiting for my boyfriend to come. He's coming to celebrate my birthday with me, and I'm so excited.
Y'all, look who's here. Look at my camera. You know you missed me. You missed me.
Okay, so right now we're gonna open Daydream's Christmas gifts or whatever. because he hasn't seen it. Anywho, so I already opened my Christmas gift last time I saw him, but what we're gonna do is he's gonna open his, so let's get started.
I heard it's coming soon.
We opening a gift. It's what, April, and we're opening up a Christmas gift?
Okay.
That's ridiculous. Show them the card that's on it. Okay, and then read it.
To the best person on earth, you are my sunlight every day. Thank you for making me your queen. Hope you love the gift. XOXO Tamar.
Hugs and kisses.
To Daydream. Why so much paper? Let's see. Oh, it's nice.
Show them what it is.
Okay. American Eagle. Wait, how do you... Oh, I like my hats like this with the thing out.
He's opening his Christmas gift right now.
Well,
We're a
things
whole 4 months late.
Yeah, it's the hat thing, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna keep this on. Press again.
Stop. And talk to them while you open it. Okay.
Alright, so this is to my baby from Queen.
We're 4 months late opening Christmas gifts.
I feel like this is some clothes or something, like a shirt. Hey!
What is that?
American Eagle shirt, you know,
It's a
V-neck. Let me...
Next.
Oh, these is hot.
It's a whole outfit.
Yeah, I know. It's a like 15 man, man. What?
What?
It's the next one.
Then you open it like this.
I don't know.
What could it be?
Robert Wayne. I don't know. I ain't never heard of this. I ain't never heard no Robert Wayne. I don't know. Shoot.
Do you know what kind of
I couldn't think of the name, but I always wanted me some. Boy, look at these.
Chelsea boots?
These hot. Chelsea boots.
And those weren't cheap either.
Ooh, I always wanted these dang boots. Chelsea boots. Get you some.
And those are real.
I know
They're not fake.
I know that. I know that.
And you can't even wear them where it's not even winter.
I'm gonna say wear these bad boys.
Don't get them dirty.
I'm gonna say wear these bad boys.
Let me show them. So I got him some Chelsea boots. Yup. The real deal.
I got some big feet though, so don't mind.
Real
that.
deal.
Yeah. Look at how you, looking like yourself.
Where are we going?
I don't know, where we going?
There's really not no stories in here.
I mean, it's okay. Whatever you see. Okay.
Are you gonna get something too?
I'm thinking
What
about
you
it.
gonna wear today? There's plenty of clothes for y'all here.
I already know what I'm wearing.
What you wearing? What you wearing?
Hey.
We're looking for a store to go to. I guess I'm supposed to be finding something. And
Yes.
I'm gonna get him something.
Maybe. I don't know yet.
You probably will.
Probably. I don't know. Should have known.
What?
So hungry self.
I just want to snack. Literally like some fries or something.
Huh?
I just want like some fries or something. Hey, what do you want?
You said what?
What do you want? You can get the pretzel nuggets. They're only $4.49. Or small, it's only $3.99. Which one?
It don't matter. It's your hungry self. Got him. Is it good? It's good. A meal and a meal, Lord. Just grab the whole thing. You better eat these things. I know you better eat all of it. Hunger sell expensive. She wanna go in Spencer's. Outfit number 2 is processing. Yes, Tamar. Nope. Hurry up, I'm waiting for outfit number 2.
And here we are today. You see the beautiful venue we have tonight. You're going to see these lovely models. You're going to see these great designers. I want to introduce you to a Baylor legend, a Tall Alpha legend, a Killeen, Texas, Dallas, Texas, and everything in between legend. My dean, Alfred Rucker.
So what you're saying is it's not enough. Just write it off like a prescription drug. You've been fussing how we never touch, but who can bother with this kind of fussing when we've been walking this blind, frustrated, outdated. What's on your mind? Drove for this time, all on the line. Try trading me places. What would you find? When we've been walking this blind, frustrated, outdated, what's on your mind? So what you're saying is it's not enough. Just write it off like a prescription drug.